Another quick tip from Imaging Spectrum. Today, we will focus on printing preferences and settings within Photoshop for properly sized and color profiled images. Open Photoshop and set your sizing. With sizing set, add your image. Today, we are printing to an F570, the latest 24-inch dye sublimation printer from Epson using a 24-inch roll, which is what I have my width set to. Once your images are added and positioned where you like, check your maximum required height. In our case, 4 inches. Next, select Print under the File drop-down menu and check that you have the proper printer selected. For this print, we will let the printer manage colors. Now click Print Settings within the Photoshop print window, and it will bring up your printing properties. Select Custom Paper Size to change your final output to either millimeters or inches. For today's image, I have adjusted the width to 24 inches wide and the height to 5, since it's the shortest height allowed and we only need 4 inches to fit our graphic. From here, we can also change color profiles, quality settings, and our print preview pop-up. You will notice after you leave this menu and come back to Photoshop, your image should adjust to be closer to the appropriate output size. If need be, you can adjust the image placement by dragging the image around as well. Next, select Print. The print preview window will then pop up, allowing us to view our final output before committing. Notice that our image has been mirrored since we are sublimating. Check your settings on the right, and then hit Print. This should get you the appropriate sizes for a great print next time you need something a little more custom. And of course, if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Talk to you soon.